Fourth standard. Namaste students. Fourth standard science first terms. All of you see this page. This page is looking very beautiful, no? All the animals also present in the picture. So science also is very beautiful and interesting subject. Index Unit 1 topic My body. Unit 2 matter and materials. Unit 3 work and energy. Unit 4 science in everyday life. Now we will learn about Unit 1 My body. Name some Unit 1 My body. Name some parts of bodies. In lower class you study parts of the body. For example, eyes, nose, brain, hand, leg, liver, stomach. These are the parts of the bodies. So learning objectives. After learning this lesson, the students will be able to first one identify and describe the internal organs of humans. List the main functions of the internal organs. Differentiate the types of teeth. Appreciate the importance of oral health. Become aware of good touch and bad touch. So in this lesson we will learn about internal organs and external organs. Differentiate the types of teeth and awareness of the good touch and bad touch. These are the learned in this lesson. Let us recall. There are some body parts hidden in the table given. Can you spot them? So some body parts hidden in these tables. Can you find out? First one, hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Can you find out second one? Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Ear, E-A-R, ear. Leg, L-E-G, leg. So these are the parts hidden in the tables. First one, internal organs. First one, internal organs. In means inside. In means inside. So some organs are present inside our body is called the organ. First we will learn about organs. How is organ is made up of? So living organism is made up of cells. Group of cells joined together tissues. Group of tissues joined together organs. Group of organs joined to the organ system. So how is organ is made up of? Group of tissues is made up of organs. There are one is internal organs and second one is external organs. Internal organs are means inside. Some organs are present inside our body but we can't see that organs. That organ is called the internal organs. First para, there are some body parts we can see such as eyes, nose, ears, hands and legs that we can see. Such parts that we can see are called external organs. So external means outside. So some organs are present outside of the bodies. We can see that parts is called external organs. Again I repeat, there are some body parts we can see such as eyes, nose, ears, hands and legs that we can see. Such parts that we can see are called external organs. Okay, next there are some body parts such as stomach, lungs and heart that are inside our body. We are unable to see them. These body parts are called internal organs. Already told internal means inside. Some organs are present inside but we can't see that organs. Is called internal organs. Example, stomach, lungs, heart, brain, livers. So reading practice. First para. First one, internal organs. You repeat with me. There are some body parts we can see such as eyes, nose, ears, hands and legs that we can see. Such parts that we can see are called external organs. There are some body parts such as stomach, lungs and heart that are inside our body. We are unable to see them. These body parts are called internal organs. Once again I repeat, what is organs? Group of tissues joined together organs. There are two types of organ is there. One is internal organs and second one is external organs. Now we will learn about internal organs. First one, brain. Brain is internal organs or external organs? Brain is a internal organs. It is present in our head, but we can't see our brains. Brain. Brain is an important organ of our body and it is protected by the skull. Skull na mandavodu. It has three main parts, namely. So, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain. Another name is a cerebrum. 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 Second, midbrain. Cerebellum. Another name is cerebellum. 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 Third one, hindbrain. Hindbrain, another name is medulla oblongata. medulla. Medulla oblongata. oblongata. Medulla oblongata. So, the three main parts present in our brain. Once again repeat. Forebrain, another name is cerebrum. Midbrain, another name is cerebellum. Third is a hindbrains. Another name is a medulla oblongata. All of you look these brain pictures where it is present. So, forebrain. This is a forebrain. This place is called the cerebrum. So, the cerebrum. This place is a cerebrum. It's the largest part of the brain. Second is a midbrains. Midbrain, another name is a cerebellum. So this is a cerebellum. It lies behind the cerebrums. Third one, hindbrains. This is a medulla oblongata. It's connected to the spinal cord. So this is a structure of the brains. The three parts is a very important in our brains. More part is there. Remaining parts you study in the higher classes, but just we learn three main parts. What are they? Forebrain. Forebrain means cerebrum. Midbrain, cerebellum. Hindbrain, medulla oblongata. So, brain is the commanding center of our body and it helps us to think and perform various functions. Every action that we do, like moving our hands, sitting or walking, is possible only because of our brains. So, we are doing more activities, yes or no? Writing, reading, speaking, running, playing, so all the activities done by brains. So, brain give the instruction to the sense organ through nerves. What are the sense organs? Can you say sense organs? There are 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skins. These are the 5 sense organs. So, first the brain is commanding is a center of our bodies and it helps us to think and perform various actions. So, it is a center of man's memory. You are thinking, reading, writing, imaginations. All this responsible for brain. So, brain give the instruction give the instruction to the sense organ through nerves. For example, if you feel hot, what do you feel? You feel hot means immediately remove your hand from that place. So that milliseconds, the brain give the instruction to the sense organs through nerves, remove your hand. So a very fast brain is work. Okay, reading practice, repeat with me. First one, brain. Brain is an important organ of bodies and is protected by the skull. It has 3 main parts, namely forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain, another name is cerebrum. It is largest part of the brain. Midbrain is a medulla oblongata. Midbrain is a cerebellum. 3-1 hindbrain, it is medulla oblongata. Brain is the commanding center of our body and it helps us to think and perform various actions. Every action that we do, like moving our hands, sitting or walking, is possible only because of our brains. So, the human brain weight about 1.3 kg. So, what is the brain weight? 1.3 kg. This is a brain weight. Next, you will try to answer this. Okay. So, dash nose our brain is an internal organ. So nose organ, which one is the correct answer? Nose or brain? First we learn about internal organs. Already told what is internal organ. In means inside. So some organs are present inside our bodies, but we can't see that organs. We here which organ we can't see? Nose we can see. Nose is present in our face. So brain we can't see. So brain is a internal organ. So brain is a correct answer. Second one, we can see the internal body parts. We can see the internal body parts? No, we can't see the internal body parts. So answer is a false. Next move on to lungs. Second is a lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy, say-like organs located in the chest. They help us to breathe. So the main function of lungs is doing breathing. So again I repeat, lungs are a pair of spongy, say-like organs located in the chest. They help us to breathe. This is the structure of the lungs. This lungs we can is a spongy, like that lungs is there. Second, when we breathe in, we take in oxygen from air through the nose and pass it to the lungs. The lungs expands, becomes big in the position. So the function of lungs is breathe in, breathe out. We breathe in oxygens, breathe out carbon dioxide. So again one repeat, what is the function of lungs? The lungs is a breathe in oxygen from air through the nose and pass it to the lungs. The lungs expand, becomes big in the position. So we breathe in oxygen means the lungs expand, becomes a bigger positions. Second, when we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose into the air. The lungs contract na surungaradu, become small in the position. So we breathe out carbon dioxides from the lungs through the nose into the air. How do you get oxygen? We get oxygen from the air. Once again I repeat, this is the structure of the lungs. We have two lungs. How many lungs we have? We have two lungs. One is the left side, another one is the right side. It's a again I repeat, reading practice. Lungs are a pair of spongy, say-like organs located in the chest. They help us to breathe. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen from air through the nose and pass it to the lungs. The lungs expand, becomes big in the position. Second, when we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose into the air. The lungs contract, become small in the position. So, how many lungs do we have? We have two lungs. One is the left side, another one is the right side. So, left lung is smaller than the right lungs. Left lung is smaller than the right lungs. Lungs helps us to breathe. What is the function of lungs? Again, once again I repeat. So we breathe in oxygen from air. That oxygen goes to nose and pass to the lungs. We breathe out carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose into the air. This is a function of the lungs. How many lungs we have? We have two lungs. One is left side, another one is the right side. Where do you keep in the lungs? It is a rib cage. It is located in the rib cage. அதாவது நம்ம மார்பு எலும்பு கூட்டுக்குள்ள நடுவுல இது இருக்கும். Okay, so for example, already you blow a balloon, no? So this is the function of the lungs. First of all, you blow the balloons. So blow the balloon means the balloon big in size. So like that we breathe in, the lungs become bigger. Okay, second off, you release gas from the air. What happens? The balloon becomes small. So the lungs become smaller. So for this is the example for function of lungs. So once again I repeat, we breathe in what gas we breathe? We breathe in oxygen gas from air. So blow your balloons is a big in size. So we breathe in that. So and then next we release gas in the balloons. So the balloon becomes small. So we breathe out air. the lungs become smaller. So, next third one, stomach. Already, do you know very well? Stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped bag found in below the lungs. It breaks down food items and gives us energy. It contains special juice to break down into energies. What is the shape of? This is the structure of the stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped organs. It breaks down into food items and gives us energy. So we doing all the activities need energies. We get energy from food. How food is converted to energy? Through breakdown. So stomach break down the food items and gives us energy. So we are doing all activities through energies. It contains special juice. How is the food molecules breakdowns? Using special juice to break down food into energies. So again repeat, this is the structure of the stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped organs. What is the function of stomach means is break down food items and gives us energies. So the stomach secretes some juice to break down food into energy. So we need energy doing all the activities. Once again I repeat, in this unit 1, my body. So in this lesson we will learn about internal organs and their function, external organs and their functions, different types of teeth, and awareness of good touch and bad touch. First one, internal organs. In means inside. Some organs are present inside our bodies. For example, brain, lungs. These are the internal organs. So the second is the external organs. Some organs are present outside our body is called the external organs. Example, eyes, nose, teeth, leg. These are. So what is organs? Already I told, no, you are made up of cells. So living organism is made up of cell. You are made by cells. Group of cells joined together, tissues. Group of tissues joined together, organs. Group of organs together, organ systems. So internal organ, first we will learn about brain. Brain is the internal organ of our bodies and is protected by the skull. It has 3 main parts. So brain is a very important organ in our bodies. It is mainly 3 parts is there. One is a forebrain, another name is cerebrum, second one midbrains, cerebellum, third one hindbrain, medulla oblongata. So we are doing all the activities like reading, writing, imagination, thinking. So all the activities responsible for brain. So brain give the instruction through the sense organs through nerves. For example, if you feel hot, so immediately brain give the instruction to sense organ through nerves, remove our hands. So a very fast brain is working. So second is a lungs. We have 2 lungs. One is left side, another one is a right side. It is kept in the chest cavity, bony coverage called rib cage. So it is kept in the rib cage. We have 2 lungs. What is the function of lungs? So we breathe in oxygen from air through nose and pass it to lungs. So at a times lungs expand. Expand means bigger position, change into bigger positions. We breathe out is a carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose into the air. So the lungs contract, becomes small in the position. So for example, balloon is a good example. Blow the balloons. When we breathe in, the lungs become bigger. So we release the air from balloons. The balloon becomes small. So we breathe out air, the lungs becomes smaller. Third one is a stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped organs. It breaks down food items and gives us energy. It contains special juice to break down food into energy. Questions: what is the shape of organs? What is the function of lungs? How many lungs do we have? Which gas we breathe? Which gas we breathe out? What is the weight of brain? Name some internal organs. Name some external organs. Name some parts of the body. Thank you, children.